Hello everyone, today I will be presenting on Beatrix Potter. She was a children's author. Beatrix Potter was a children's author and she was born on July 28, 1866 in Kensington, London, England. She wrote stories based on her observation of animals and the natural world. The first book was The Tale of Peter Rabbit, published in 1902, which quickly became a success. In addition to her work as a children's author, Beatrix Potter was also a talented illustrator, botanist, and conservationist. She dedicated much of her life to studying nature and preserving the landscapes of the Lake District in England. She published a large number of popular books. List of well-known children's books: The Tale of Peter Rabbit, The Tale of Squirrel Nutkin, The Tale of Benjamin Bunny, The Tale of Jemima Buttle Duck, The Tale of Tom Kitten, The Tale of Mrs. Tiggy Winkle. Finally, I would like to present all the sources that were very helpful to me during my research: Wikipedia, Penguin Random House author page, the Beatrix Potter Society book cover from publisher website. Thank you for attention. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.